How to edit JPEG images without saving as PSD. First, import your image into Photoshop directly. Go to the Layers dock and click on the lock icon on the layer. This makes it editable. Or you can duplicate that layer. This creates an editable layer for you. Once done, make the changes you want to make to the image and then save. To retain the file type, and not as a PSD, go the Layers dock and right-click any of the layers you created. From the drop-down menu, click on Flatten Image. Once done, you can now save, and it will save the file type as JPEG using Ctrl+S.